Hello friends, today I will set up new mounts, and I will show how to set your new mounts in your Jeep. I have several equipment here. This is the strap mount. This is mid-size V-ball RAM mount. This is the IIIIII version phone holder. I have several equipment before here and here. This is for tablet and several RAM mounts. These are the best performance in the market. I have looked lots of equipment before, but this is the best for this kind of vehicle. I will first there are the two kind piece here. This is for 1 inch roll bar. This is bigger roll bar. I will use this. Now first we will cut. Okay, you will get this 3M cover here, get out and stick in here. Like this. So, and I hope this is good. Okay, this is good. This is here. And get the B-ball like a Lego. This is the RAM. This is the screw. This is not the problem. Okay, this is good. Like this. And I will find a position. I will find the position in my car now. I hope. This is okay. Now you get this B-ball here. Like this. start attach more component using this component. Use this plastic here. This is for the side part of course. You can find your best figure out in here. And if you have a large phone or mini tablet or GPS, you can change the position inside or outside of the remote controller. And this is the bevel we will use in this area. This is the screw socket home. Leatherman. I will use this one. There is a one. This is the bigger one, but use the mini. This is the mini. This is good. Find this nut. You get this small screw and this nut, and I will position here. Yes, my phone like this. That is good. Okay, I will use this line later on. Not too much. This is good, I guess. This is good. Okay, tough. There is a white nuts. Don't use white. I use white for the long screw. Okay, small and the dark side. Small nut use, please. I will can use this there's a 1, 2, 3 position for this protector side of type of protectors. You can use if you want here or here, but niye böyle kullandık? Now I will mount this bigger nut here and position here. Use the longest screw now. Which one? I bought this longest version. I will find the nut after the video, and I will put in the. I will fix it. Okay. one, this one. A process for this strap mount. Use this. Now same process for this strap mount. Use this here. This down, go like this. Okay, finish like this. Finishing. Go like this. Now the screw here, like a Lego here. Very good. They never play and they never. That's good. Like here, screw in here. This is good. This is here. Okay. I will. Okay, good. Now I finished the setup and my new RAM phone holder is ready to use. This is Dutch version.